on this project today. After hauling my excavator out to the Bonaparte Lake area, we have a bad wheel bearing. Oh, it was loose. Not loose, just the wrong size. So these are a little bit ignorant. You got to make sure it's a 14 millimeter 12 point, and I've been making sure I take the hammer and just make sure it's on there before you torque it. Okay, at this point all the 4 bolts are out for the wheel bearing, so you just gotta beat this off. So when you can't beat the bearing off, if you put a couple of extensions on the bolt in the back, but only thread it in maybe a quarter of the way, a helper is really handy at this point. Oh yeah, that'll work. Oh yeah, look at all that. That's bearing. Oof, what's underneath? Oh! Oh, wow! Holy! Unfortunately, I think that's eaten into the hub. Well, we used the pulling off tool and it destroyed a bearing, but this backing plate is still on here and it needs to come off, so more hitting. Okay, punched all those in, sucked them in. Now we go back on. Oh, there's a heat shield that goes in here. If you can't find a cotter pin, a nail will normally do. Okay, and that's how to change a wheel bearing on a second-gen Dodge dually. Nothing too crazy, not that easy sometimes when they get a little bit of rust on them. Make sure to check out the video I hauled my excavator way out in the middle of nowhere with this truck. That's pretty much what killed that wheel bearing. A little bit of maintenance goes a long way. Now it's good for another probably 100,000, 200,000 kilometers. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you liked anything you see in this video. It doesn't cost you guys a thing. It really helps the channel out and I really appreciate it. Have a good one.